welcome to everyone. In today's class, I am here to discuss on a case study topic, use of epoxy injection grouting in a G+4 commercial building located in Bangalore. So this case study involves a study of use of epoxy resins in the application of the building where structural crack is prominent in basement, columns and footing, and also there is foundation settlement due to seepage of water from the ground surface into the structural elements. So in this case study, we are going to see the various repair techniques in order to address the issue of cracks which is formed in the structural element of the building. So the structural crack is propagating into the buildings in the form of beams, columns, footings, etc., which reduces the total structural integrity, durability and serviceability of the structure, which is a major issue to be addressed. So let us see what are all the techniques adopted in that particular building so that the crack formation issue is properly addressed. Over to my team, they will be adding points regarding what really happened in that G+4 story building located in Bangalore.
Good morning team, myself Harinandini. Today we are going to discuss about epoxy coating technique used in building maintenance, focusing on a real-time case. Let's center our discussion around the restoration project of an old commercial complex in Bangalore, where structural cracks in the basement columns and beams were treated using epoxy coating. Jay, can you start with the site condition?
I am Jay, site engineer. The project involved 24 years old G+4 office building. We noticed water seepage and airline cracks. It involves due to poor drainage and heavy settlement. Cracks affect beams and columns. We go with epoxy grouting injection. It was a high bonding strength.
So you have told the use of epoxy injection provides high bonding strength. So if the high bonding strength has been introduced, the cracks will be arrested and there won't be any further propagation of the crack. So next to you.
I am Magesh, material specialist. In material standpoint, epoxy is a great way because epoxy can penetrate up to 0.1 millimeter. So epoxy is a great material to use it. We need to use in the correct temperature and moisture control to avoid issues.
Okay. So well explained. So the use of epoxy resin in that particular building can be used to arrest micro cracks even 0.1 millimeter width. So in that case, the micro cracks also can be prevented. So over to you.
Myself, I am Siva. I have done a quality test in it. And coming to quality test, we have done a ASPMC881 tester to test this method. Before epoxy injection, we have done a core cutting and ultrasonic pulse rating. And after the injection, we have done material removing in it and analyze the depth.
Over to Sujan for discussion about remaining aspects of the building.
I am Sujan, maintenance manager. In today's world, buildings should be renovated for every 6 months to maintain a good and healthy house. In basements, we should work on item to avoid disturbance, and in planning traffic areas is very crucial. So we use epoxy to heal the cracks quickly. Thank you.
Okay. So our team has discussed about a real-time case study of a building where epoxy grouting is implemented in order to repair and maintain the building from hairline cracks and other cracks which affects the overall integrity of the structure. So I could suggest epoxy method for enhancing the quality, durability and integrity of the building. Thank you.